Alright, today I want to show you how to clean out the filter on your Rainbird rotors, either the 32 SAs or the 3500. They're basically the same size rotor sprinkler. So first things first, you can either do it in ground or you can take it out. And you're going to start out by, go ahead and unscrew this. And you're just gonna pull the sprinkler out of the body, and you're just gonna flip this over. So this is the filter here. What you want to do is get something like a flat head screwdriver. You see this hole here? I'm just gonna pry that out, and it doesn't look like I have anything going on here. But if you want to clean it out, you can either, if you have like a bucket of water or something that's really nasty, you can just kind of get all the debris out there. But this is what it looks like when it's nice and clean. And then we'll just go ahead and reverse the process and put the filter back in. It should press in firmly. And then you just go ahead and put this back into the body. Now you've got a properly running rotor sprinkler. You want to make sure, you probably want to do this like beginning of the season, just to make sure that the sprinkler heads are running properly. There isn't any interference, otherwise it could cause some inefficiencies as far as watering with the rain curtain technology. But yeah, I just wanted to put out a simple video how to check your rotor filters. I don't think that many people know about them. The pop-ups are very easy to access the filters. This takes a little bit more ingenuity and work to get into that filter. But hopefully this helps somebody out there that maybe is having an issue with their spray pattern or something like that.